Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new here, my name is Kobeli. I feel like it's been a minute since I introduced myself. I'm so grateful for my newest subscribers. Welcome to the family, and if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and if you want, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you get a notification each time I upload a new video. This particular video is going to be part of a series that I'm going to call Do Something With Your Hair. It was inspired by one of my Instagram followers. Her name is Bubbles. I hope that I pronounced that right, and if I didn't, I am truly sorry. So she says, "You're gorgeous." Thank you. So I'm about to enter the corporate world. Congratulations. And you know the drill with natural hair not being professional enough. I was wondering maybe you can recommend elegant ways of styling my untwisted dreadlocks just so I can look professional. Now, I briefly touched into this whole dreadlocks or natural hair not being professional in the workplace. It's not a topic that I really want to get into now. It's not really the objective of this video. But yeah, here we are. I'm going to be creating videos in a series where I explore the non-traditional hairstyles that you can do with your dreadlocks to judge your look. It's not as easy to explore different hairstyles, and I thought, why don't I just try as many hairstyles as I can and inspire other people to try different hairstyles with the dreadlocks and just have fun with them. Alright, enough talking, let's get right into it. Section out 3 to 4 locks above your ear. These are going to be the foundation for our hairstyle. It's important to take out more than 2, as using a single dreadlock as a hair tie will eventually thin your hair out. Take these 2 sections and tie them together in a double knot. Make sure that the knot is secure so it doesn't unravel when you introduce the rest of the hair. Now that you have the 2 sections tied into a little rope, take the loose hair up over the tied hair and roll it in. I don't know how else to explain this, but if you watch the video close enough, you'll get a hang of what I'm doing. You are going to repeat the process until all the hair is tucked in. You'll have a number of flyaways. Just tuck those into the bun. You can also go as far as using bobby pins if you feel that the hair is not secure enough. However, I achieved this look without using any pins whatsoever. Once you are done tucking all the flyaways, you are free to add any accessories, or you can wear the style as it is. That is it for this look. It took me about 8 to 10 minutes to execute it, also factoring in that I am also recording. I guarantee you, if you rock up to work like this, your boss is going to step down and put you in his position, or at the least give you a raise or a promotion. But yeah, this look was very easy to execute. It didn't require a lot. I didn't use any hair ties or clips, but you're definitely free to use those as well. I know that not everybody's comfortable with tying their hair into a knot, and also if you have shorter hair, you probably have a lot more flyaways that won't be easy to just tuck in, so you can definitely use hair pins for that. Yeah, please let me know in the comment section if this is a look that you would try, and if you do try it and post pictures on your social media, please do tag me. My Instagram handle is at Miss Kobeli. I'll put it here. Yeah, if you guys like this hairdo, please give this video a thumbs up, and a shout out in the comment section as well would be highly appreciated. Make sure that you're subscribed if you haven't already. I'll be posting a lot more videos on styling as part of the Do Something With Your Hair series. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.